In previous episodes, we've talked about the concept of our functional flowers, Innocence, and their numerous benefits in culinary applications. Today, let's look at their use in coating applications with our R&D culinary expert, Rick van Damme.
Our Innocence functional flowers can be used as pre-dust and better ingredients. But first, let's take a look at what a coated product is. A coated product, whether the substrate is meat, fish or vegetables, consists of several layers. First comes the pre-dust. It's a dry layer that is directly applied to the substrate. Its primary function is to improve the adhesion and pickup of the second layer, the batter. The adhesion batter, applied after the pre-dust, works as a glue between the substrate and the breading and forms a solid layer around the substrate. The breading, often used in combination with an adhesion batter, provides the crunchiness and mouthfeel to the coated product, as well as its visual appearance.
Why use a functional flour as a pre-dust or batter ingredient?
As explained, the pre-dust and the batter are essential steps for the coated product, as they ensure that you have a perfect adhesion between the substrate and the coating and improve the overall quality of the product. Perfectly adapted to be used as pre-dust and batter ingredients, our functional flours can offer organoleptic and technical benefits to your products. Here are 3 coated products. One without pre-dust, one using native flour as a pre-dust, and one using our Innocence wheat functional flour. As you can see with the first 2 products, we have an uneven coating with several weak spots and a bad adhesion to the substrate due to the low and inconsistent level of batter pickup. If you look at the last product, you can see that the use of a functional flour gives a better regularity thanks to a higher level of batter pickup. This results in an improved adhesion of water binding capacity. With this high barrier formation, we also have an improved texture with less greasy product and a crispier coating.
As explained by Rick, our functional flours can improve the adhesion and the texture of coated products when used as pre-dust or batter ingredients. But today, the nutritional impact of what we eat is more and more important. We've asked our expert if this demand for healthier products is compatible with coated products.
In addition to their technical and organoleptic benefits, our Innocence functional flours can also be used to improve the nutritional values of coated products. Our Innocence Pulse range can be used to increase the nutritional values by bringing more protein and fiber to your coated product. Another way to increase the fiber of your product is by using our Innocence wheat bran or our Innocence whole wheat range. Here's an example of a coated product using our Innocence yellow lentil as a batter. Thanks to our Pulse functional flours, we were able to improve the protein content by 12.8% and the batter content by 60.4%, while reducing the fat uptake by 14.2%, upgrading the Nutri-score of this product from B to A. Compared to the traditional batter, our Pulse functional flour also ensures a good adhesion to the coating, a good regularity of the pickup and consistency of viscosity. It also ensures a crispy texture with a better color and no off flavor from the pulses.
As explained, our Innocence functional flours are perfect ingredients to use as pre-dust and batter ingredients. Easy to use, they will bring a crispy texture to your coated products while answering your technical requirements. Thanks to their naturality, our functional flours are declared as flour, allowing you to have a clean label declaration. To find out more about the use of our functional flours in culinary applications, join us for an upcoming episode of 3 Minutes to Understand Our Functional Flours.